Do you want to jump higher and be more explosive? Of course you do. I have a training tool called the Easy Jump Mat that can take your performance to the next level. Plus, I break down a complete jump out the gym program that uses the French contrast training method that will separate and elevate your performance to greater heights to be that game-changing, electrifying, show-stopping athlete or coach that I know you want to be. Now, the concept of the French contrast training style is based on a combination of complex and contrast training methods. The idea is to use 4 exercises to induce physiological responses to train alongside the force speed curve. Now, it's originally created by French track coach Gilles Cometti and popularized by Cal Dietz. This method takes advantage of the PAP effect, post-activation potentiation, by combining 4 contrast loading styles: heavy compound, plyometric, weighted jumps, and assisted plyometric to increase power production and endurance. The training session starts off with block number 1, 3 sets of a 4-part contrast, starting off with A1, trap bar deadlifts for 3 repetitions using heavy weights, which should be about 80% of your 1 rep max for week 1, and increasing this percentage 2.5% weekly, so you can not only get stronger, but take advantage of that post-activation potentiation with the next exercises. As the post-activation potentiation is the advanced contractile ability of a muscle to generate force with moderate to light loads after performing an exercise consisting of maximal or near maximal loads. Thus why A1 is our heavy load. The heavy loaded exercise increases the recruitment of high threshold motor units, improving neuromuscular and intramuscular coordination while decreasing the presynaptic inhibition. The combination of these 3 actions allows for greater force production and power output of the subsequent exercise. In layman terms, the nervous system goes into overdrive, thinking that it's going to lift a heavy load, resulting in an explosive lift of the lighter load. Once completed A1, rest for 90 seconds, then complete A2, RSI jumps using the Easy Jump Mat for 5 repetitions. And if you don't have an Easy Jump Mat, you can do 5 pogo jumps. If you're an athlete or a coach that is looking to help an athlete be more explosive and jump out the gym, first off, you need to track and measure your jumping. This is the Easy Jump Mat by Swift Performance. It's a sports science tool that offers a technology-driven approach to measuring vertical jumps, enhancing training with precision and user-friendly analytics. It's simple and easy to set up. It's wireless, connecting straight to Bluetooth, so you don't have any cables that make it lag or cause connectivity problems, which can lose your data, as everything is presented and stored on their Synchro app, where you can make athlete profiles, allowing you to assess and review the data so you can make informed decisions and create the greatest program possible. Now, what's great about the app is that there are already countless industry standard jump drills in this app to help you get the greatest results possible. The Easy Jump Mat measures contact and flight times on both legs, allowing advanced testing drills like the 2-step reaction drill, the Bosco fast twitch test, and the Bosco elasticity test. Here's how I use and implement the Easy Jump Mat into my training program. RSI jumps, which stands for Reactive Strength Index, demonstrates an athlete's ability to rapidly change from an eccentric motion into a concentric muscular contraction. Essentially, you're looking for how high you can jump and how fast you can get off the ground. It's a good measure of being able to produce force quickly and display good leg stiffness. When looking at the RSI, anything above 2 is very good, anything above 3 is elite, and anything above 4 is world class. This test is also great to use after warm-ups to assess neuromuscular fatigue, to see how your body is handling stress and recovery from a day-to-day training. Once complete, rest for 90 seconds, then grab a pair of light dumbbells that you can jump with, not so much that stops you from leaving the ground, and perform A3, dumbbell jumps for 3 repetitions. Again, we will use the Easy Jump Mat to keep the measurements. I put the test on the app to the combined vertical jump, And what's really cool is that you can add the additional dumbbell weight and perform one jump at a time. The weighted jump helps build explosive power and force in the legs, which will allow you to jump higher and change directions greater in sports. Also, the jump mat has a left and a right pressure sensor. And because of this, you can see the flight time on both sides to see if you have any imbalances, which can help you huge in your training process. Once complete, rest for 90 seconds, and the final jump in the complex is A4, band over speed jumps for 3 to 5 repetitions. This is my favorite all-time jump. You need to forcefully explode as high as you can. Once you touch the ground, quickly explode again. Band-assisted jumps are the best way to work the high velocity and quick production of force needed for vertical jumping. It allows for faster turnover rate of the muscles. At the same time, it teaches the body to move faster and higher than it normally is capable of doing. Due to the fact that the overspeed band tension, which unloads the body at the bottom of the movement, thereby allowing the tendons to complete a powerful concentric action. And then lastly, it also increases the explosive capacity of the stretch shortening cycle and the beneficial joint stiffness qualities. That's why I love it. Once complete all 3 rounds of block number 1, we head to block number 2 for a superset of 3 sets. Starting off with B1, single leg sprinter overcoming isometric holds with ankle band tension for 5 seconds, which works on improving peak force output and ankle stiffness, and developing and loading the hip flexors. Once complete, rest for 60 seconds, and then do band-resisted high knee runs for 5 seconds using the Easy Jump mat, as it has a dual left and right pressure sensors which can assess step frequency. This is a great, quick, fast-firing drill that works on rhythm, timing, coordination, and overall body control. Once complete all 3 rounds of block number 2, we finish off this amazing training session with block number 3 for another superset of 3 sets, starting off with C1, barbell RDLs for 5 reps, which is incredible for hamstring development when it comes to building strength and length in the hamstrings, followed by elevated barbell reverse lunges for 5 reps per side. Again, it builds strength and length in the hip flexors while also allowing you to push and drive off a single leg. That, champs, is it. If you are looking to take your jumping abilities to the next level, then this contrast workout is for you. But if you're looking to increase your performance and take it to the very next level, then check out the Swift Performance Easy Jump Mat, as there is nothing on the market that can give you this type of data and metrics that will actually help you increase your overall athletic performance in jumping athleticism. I'm Coach Shea Pierre. Please let us know in the comment section what you're looking for, because we want to give you the best in the world. And until we meet again, champs, let's go!